Welcome to the Jamb Master online class for physics. Get your writing materials ready. Get your writing materials ready. We're starting the next 2 minutes. Once you come in, type a comment. Say, I'm here. Say, active, sir. Active, active. Get your writing materials ready. This is a very serious class, as you can see. Get your writing materials ready. And off your TikTok, off your Facebook. Get rid of all distractions. This is a serious class about to start now. It's a serious class about to start now. Welcome to the Jamb Master Physics class. Welcome to the Jamb Master Physics class. Welcome, welcome. Get ready. I'll give you 2-3 minutes to get your writing materials ready. 2-3 minutes to get your writing materials ready and we'll start. 2-3 minutes to get your writing materials ready and we'll start. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to get your writing materials ready and we'll start. Welcome to the Jamb Master class Physics. Today we are demystifying physics. Today we are breaking down physics. Get ready, get ready. I hope you're not going to be tired today. Get ready, get ready, get ready. I'm ready for you guys. I'm ready. I told you guys when I start, I don't stop. When I start, I don't stop. Get ready. I'm ready for you guys. I'm ready for these jam sets. When I start, I don't stop. Yes, yes, yes. Get your writing materials ready. 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 Get your writing materials. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to get your writing materials ready. I'm waiting for you and then we'll start. 2-3 minutes, 2-3 minutes, get your writing materials ready. I'm waiting for you and we'll start. 2-3 minutes, get your writing materials ready. I'm waiting for you and we'll start. 2-3 minutes, get your writing materials ready. And we'll start. And we'll start. Two, 3 minutes, get your writing materials ready and we'll start. No time to waste. 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 2-3 minutes, get your writing materials ready and we'll start. Jamb is less than 70 days, so there's no time to waste. Jamb is less than 70 days, so there's no time to waste. Jamb is less than 70 days, so there's no time to waste. Jamb is less than 70 days. I'm going to be breaking down physics today. Jamb physics. If you have any issues with physics, today is the end. Today marks the end. If you have any issues with physics, today marks the end. Today marks the end. If you have any issue in physics, if you are online, say active, say active, say active, type active, type active. If you're there now, type active, type active, type active, type active, type active. Let me see your active. If you're there with us, type active, type active, type active, type active, 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 type active. Type active, type active, type active. If you are with us, type active, type active. Type active, type active. Do you have, if you're writing material ready, say ready, sir. Say ready, sir. If your writing material is ready now, say ready, ready, say ready. If your writing material is ready, say ready. I want you to say ready. If your writing material is ready, say ready, ready, ready. If your writing material is ready, say ready. If your writing material is ready, I want you to say ready, ready, ready. If your writing material is ready, say ready and we'll start. Say ready and we'll start. If your writing material is ready, say ready. Let me see the comment section if we are ready. Let me see the comment section if we are ready. Let me see the comment section if we are ready. Let me see the comment section if we are ready. Let me see the comment section if we are ready. Let me see the comment section if we are ready. Yes, we have 25 students live with us now. We have 25 students live with us now. We have 25 students live with us now. We have 25 students live. We have 28 students are live with us now. 28. This is good. Where are the others? Yes, I'm seeing your comments. Yes, Binta said good evening, sir. Yes. Welcome, everybody. Balikis, welcome. Ready? Yes, yes. Precious GK said ready. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Get your writing materials ready. It's about to be a very serious class. Get your writing materials ready. It's about to be a very serious class. Get your writing materials ready. It's about to be a very serious class. Get your writing materials ready. It's about to be a very serious class. Get your writing materials ready. We are not here to joke. I gave an assignment in the last class. Who has done the assignment? If you have done the assignment, say, sir, I did the assignment. If you have done the assignment I gave in the last class, say, sir, I did the assignment. If you have done the assignment I gave in the last class, say, sir, I did the assignment. I will continue exactly from that assignment, the correction. I will continue from the assignment, the correction. If you did the assignment, say, sir, I did the assignment. If this is your first time of joining us, say first time. If this is your first time of joining us, type first time. Type first time. If this is your first time of joining us, type first time. First time, sir. First time, sir. Type first time. If this is your first time of joining our class, type first time. First time. First time. First time. First time. If this is your first time of joining our class, type first time, sir. First time. First time. First time. Type first time, sir. First time. First time. If this is your first time of joining our class, type first time. I'm about starting now. Type first time. If it's your first time, type first time. If it's not your first time, don't type first time to escape the assignment. Oh. If you attended before, when I gave the assignment, say I was active. I was active. I was active. But if it's your first time, say first time, sir. First time, sir. First time, sir. First time, sir. If this is your first time, say first time, sir. 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 Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Now I want to start. Once I start, I don't stop. Once I start, I don't stop. If you are ready for the Jamb Master, say ready, sir, I will start. I will start exactly from the assignment I gave. If you are ready for the Jamb Master, say ready, sir. Ready, sir. If you are ready for the Jamb Master, say ready, sir. Say ready, sir. Ready, 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 ready. Ready, sir. Ready, sir. If you are ready for the Jamb Master, say ready, sir. If you are ready. This is the assignment I gave for those just joining us. Get your writing materials. If this is your first time, the way I run my class, I'm a very serious teacher. Get your writing materials. Exit your TikTok. Leave all your app. Put your phone on do not disturb. Your Jamb is not waiting for you. Do you notice how this year is running very fast? The year is running very fast, class. Your Jamb is April. There is no time again. February is almost over. February is almost over. You must not write Jamb next year. I don't want to see you in my Jamb class next year. This must be your last Jamb. That's why I want to make sure that you pass. You cannot fail Jamb my class, so it's not possible. My students don't fail Jamb. My students don't get 200. They don't change my students' course. They don't change my students' course. Get rid of all your TikTok now. Put your phone on do not disturb so that nobody will be distracting you from your WhatsApp. Clear all your chats and focus. This is physics. Physics needs total concentration. You must pass that Jamb this year. Get rid of all distractions. If you're on this live session, one more thing, and you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button now so that you can be enjoying classes like this. As Jamb is getting closer, I'll be dropping some updates. If you're not a member of our channel, you will miss out. I'm telling you. Many students missed out last year. A lot of students missed out. Just hit the subscribe button. So people think subscribe means pay. Subscribe means just join our channel. Follow us on YouTube. Just like you follow someone on Instagram, you follow someone on TikTok. When you hit the subscribe button, you are a follower on YouTube. So if we are teaching anything, we can always update you. If we are doing anything that can help you in Jamb, we will get updates, you get information. If you are not informed, you are deformed. So if you are on this live now and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, this is a chance for you to join our channel. Just hit the subscribe button. Don't worry, you will not move money from your account. Some of you are afraid if you hit subscribe, they will collect money from your account. How? Is your YouTube connected to your bank? No. It's just like you are following someone on Instagram, follow someone on Facebook. So you are following us on YouTube. Do you get? So if you're there, whether it's your first time or not, and your friend I check, are you subscribed to our channel? How will you know? There's a subscribe button below. Hit it. If you hit it and it shows subscribe, it means that you have not subscribed before. Hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed before and hit it, it will remove it from the channel. So be careful. Be careful. If you hit that subscribe button, if you have not subscribed before, hit it. If you are subscribed, you are sure you have subscribed to our channel before, then don't hit it. I want to get that, but you know you have not subscribed to our channel. When Jamb is getting close, you will miss a lot of things. You will miss a lot of goodies. This class now, I share the link everywhere so everybody can learn. Sometimes I like to give everybody open opportunity to join our class. Every time opportunity will come once in a while for you to join. As you keep missing the opportunity, you are missing the opportunity to pass your Jamb. I want to help you to pass your Jamb this year. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below now and let me write down the assignment while you're doing that. Let me write down the assignment. So that we can carry everybody along. Let me write down the assignment. Some people were not around in the last class, so they don't have the assignment. Let me write it down so I can carry everybody along and we'll get started. A body starts from rest. A body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly. And accelerates uniformly. In a straight line. A body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly in a straight line until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second. Until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second in 8 seconds. Until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second in 8 seconds. It then travels uniformly. Make sure you are still here. Your colleagues have not gone. Some of you cannot stay in a class and concentrate. After a small time, you go and press your phone, you go and do other things. That means you are not ready to pass your Jamb. Off every other thing and concentrate. You're in a class. This is a live class. If you're in a physical class, you will not be doing any other thing, right? So give this time for your Jamb. You say you want to pass your Jamb this year, then give it your time. I will know those that want to pass. So even now, you can't just concentrate for a few minutes. You lack concentration. That's very bad. You can't get that big course you are going for if you are not serious. So concentrate. You can't be in my class. I will push you to be serious. In my class, I will push you to be the best. If you're in my class, you will be the best because I will not allow you to rest. I will worry you till you pass. I will worry you. I will be on your neck till you pass your Jamb for your own good. I will be on your neck till you pass your Jamb for your own good. Yes. So make sure you are concentrated. Don't allow anything to distract you. Off your WhatsApp for now. No message will come in. All those memes, off all your memes, your status, off everything. Concentrate. All those kids, off it. Close your TikTok for now. Travels uniformly for 12 seconds. After which it is uniformly retarded. And brought to rest in 5 seconds. And brought to rest in 5 seconds. Calculate. The answers to calculate. 1. Acceleration. Calculate 1. Acceleration. 2. Retardation. Calculate 1. Acceleration. 2. Retardation. 3. Total distance covered. 3. Total distance covered. Please, if you can see the board clearly and you can hear me clearly from the board, say I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. If you can see the board clearly and you can hear me clearly from the board, say I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. If you can see the board clearly and you can hear me clearly from the board, say I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. You can see the board clearly. And you can hear me say, I can hear you, sir, and I can see the board. Excellent, 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 excellent. As you have joined us now, we are going for 100-minute challenge. Who is with us? The next 100 minutes, let us give it to our Jamb. If you are with me, say, sir, I'm with you. Let's dedicate the next 100 minutes. In our last class, we did 200 minutes challenge, right? In our last class, we did 200 minutes challenge. Today, we want to start first 100 minutes challenge. After 100 minutes, we'll push again. So physics, you want to go for 100 minutes focus. I'm not going anywhere, sir. I'm not opening any TikTok. I want to pass my Jamb. 100-minute challenge. If you're with me, say, sir, I'm with you. If you're with me now, 100 minutes straight, you will not leave your phone. 100-minute challenge, physics challenge. Want to start class now? And sir, I will not go anywhere. I will learn this class. Say you're with me. If you're with me, say, sir, we are with you. Let's start. Sir, let's start. We're with you. 100-minute challenge. 100 minutes challenge. Last week, how many minutes did we do in our last class? Someone should tell me. How many minutes did we do in our last chemistry class? How many minutes did we do in our last chemistry class? In our last chemistry class, we did how many minutes? Someone should tell me. How many minutes did we do in our last chemistry class? Someone should tell me. Yes, we did 200 minutes, right? We did 200 minutes in our last chemistry class. Today, let's start with 100 minutes first. As we finish 100 minutes, we'll put another target again. We'll put another target again. Yes, everybody's saying 200. Good. We did 200 minutes. For those of you just joining us, if you're just joining us, yeah, our last chemistry class, we did 200 minutes challenge. Ask them. Your colleagues like you that are writing Jamb like you, they stayed in class for 200 minutes. We were learning. We were jacking, breaking down chemistry. That was on Sunday. While you were sleeping on Sunday, you were doing Valentine on Sunday. We were learning chemistry. We were demystifying chemistry. Ask your friend. Ask them what we learned. 200 minutes class. These are people you are competing with, so don't relax. Do not relax. Don't relax. In my class, I will not allow you to rest. My energy is too much. I will transfer some into you so you can pass your Jamb. My energy is too much. I will transfer some energy into you so you can pass your Jamb. So you can pass your Jamb. So on Sunday we did 200 minutes chemistry class. Today let us start 100 minutes challenge first. From 100 minutes we push 200. Let's go. But let us start the simple 100 minutes challenge. The time is there on the YouTube live. We are watching the time. So we'll know when we hit 100 minutes. After 100 minutes, we set another challenge again. That's how we'll push you to become the best. Don't forget, in the Jamb Master class, every Friday is mock exam. Every Friday is mock exam in the Jamb Master class. Every Friday you write exam till your Jamb day. Let me see how you fail Jamb this year. Let me see. Even if your village people say you fail, I will not allow it. I will fight your village people for you. You must pass your Jamb this year. Every Friday is mock exam. Prepare. This Friday we're having mock exam. You write mock exam in physics, chemistry, biology, English. Every Friday is mock exam. I'm standing here because I want you to finish writing the assignment. If you are done writing the assignment, say, sir, I am done, so I can do the correction. If you are done writing the assignment, say, I am done, so we can do the correction. Don't forget, 100 minutes challenge. Sir, we go nowhere. No leave, no transfer. 100 minutes challenge. 100 minutes physics Jamb class challenge. 100 minutes physics Jamb class challenge. Sir, we are not going anywhere. I must pass my Jamb this year. After this year, I can press my TikTok. After this year, I can press my WhatsApp. I want to pass my Jamb first. Let me enter school first before I start pressing TikTok. 100 minutes challenge. If you are done writing the assignment, say, I am done. Let me try and solve. If you are done writing the assignment, say, sir, I am done. Let me solve. Who is done with the assignment so I can start solving? Who is done with the assignment so I can start solving? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, people say they are done with the. Are you done with the assignment? Let me solve. Let me solve. Now, let me solve. Okay, let's go. A body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly in a straight line until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second in 8 seconds. A body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly in a straight line until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second in 8 seconds. It then travels uniformly for 12 seconds, after which it is uniformly retarded and brought to rest in 5 seconds. Calculate 1. The acceleration, 2. Retardation, 3. Total distance covered. Class, on our last physics class, I gave us 4 equations of motion. In our last physics class, we gave 4 equations of motion. One of them is V equals to U plus AT. The next one is V squared equals to U squared plus 2AS. The next one is S equals to UT plus half AT squared. And the last one is S equals to U plus V all over 2T. These were the 4 equations of motion we gave in our last class. Is that correct? Class, this question, you have to approach it carefully. In physics, anytime you are told that a body starts from rest, it means that the initial velocity U is 0 meters per second. A body starts from rest means that it started with 0 speed. And the speed of the speed the body used to start moving is 0. It was at rest. And U represents initial velocity. In physics, U represents what? Initial velocity. While V represents final velocity. In physics, U represents initial velocity. V represents final velocity. A represents acceleration. T is time. T is what? Time. I'll come again in case I was too fast. V is final velocity. V is what? Final velocity. Well, V represents final velocity. Your A represents acceleration. Your U here represents initial velocity. Your S represents distance. Your S represents distance covered. Distance covered. Your T is your time. Your T is your time. So we have V, final velocity, A, acceleration, U, initial velocity, S, distance, T, time. These are the parameters that you have in your 4 equations of motion. A good physics student should be able to select the correct equation for each question they give you. You must be able to look at your question and ask yourself, what equation of motion will deal with this question for me? I must do that very fast. You must do that very fast because there's no time in the exam. There is no time in the exam. Now let's go, class. V is final velocity, A, acceleration, U, initial velocity, S, distance, T, time. Now, class, a body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly. Class, this word uniformly means it has constant acceleration. That means the acceleration is constant. Accelerates uniformly in a straight line until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second. So it started from rest but reached a velocity of 40 meters per second. Please take note. So the final velocity is 40 meters per second. Started from rest. Starts from rest means that the initial is 0. A body starts from rest means that the initial velocity is 0. But then accelerates and reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second. That means the final velocity is 40. In 8 seconds, class. In 8 seconds. So my time is 8 seconds. My time is 8 seconds. It then travels uniformly for 12 seconds. Class, we could actually represent this, what is happening here, in a velocity time graph. Let us represent this in a velocity time graph. So let this be the origin, rests. The V velocity is on the y-axis and the time is on the x-axis. Our velocity is on the y-axis, our time is on the x-axis. A body starts from rest and then accelerates uniformly in a straight line, accelerates from the rest uniformly in a straight line until it reaches a velocity of 40 meters per second. So let this be 40. So from 0 meters per second, it rose to 40 meters per second in 8 seconds. So it got to 40 in 8 seconds. So the time it took to get to 40, this time, remember this is our time, this velocity. So it got to in 40 meters per second in 8 seconds. So 0 to 8. Let's call it 0 to 8. Let's put 8 here. Please follow me carefully. It then travels uniformly for 12 seconds. It then travels uniformly for 12 seconds. Class, what do you mean by uniformly? Meaning that it stopped accelerating. It just went like this. It travels uniformly. When they say someone travels uniformly, it goes on a straight line. That means it doesn't accelerate, it doesn't decelerate. It maintains this 40 uniformly. For how many seconds? For 12 seconds. It travels uniformly for 12 seconds. So after from 0 to 8, if you spend another 12 seconds, if you have 12 seconds to 8, what do you have? You're going to have 20. Then what happens after that? After which it is uniformly retarded. Class, retarded means decelerate. That means the speed reduced. Acceleration means increase in speed. Deceleration means decrease in speed. Another name for deceleration is retardation. They say it is then uniformly retarded and brought to rest in 5 seconds. That means from here it came down in how many seconds? 5 seconds. So from 20 plus 5, let's call this 25. So total time for this body's movement is 25 seconds. Total time it took for this body to move up and move like this and come down is 25 seconds. The time range from this one to this one is 8 seconds. It took 8 seconds to do this, to go up. It took 12 seconds to maintain uniform, and it took 5 seconds to come down. Class, this is a velocity time graph. And class, let us now go to the question. Question 1, now say calculate the acceleration. Class, where was the acceleration? This is the only place there was acceleration. Acceleration means increase in speed. The speed increased from 0 to 40 per unit time. Acceleration means increase in speed per unit time. So this is where we're going to get acceleration. We have to find the acceleration. 2, so we should find the retardation. Where will we find the retardation? Where did the retardation take place? At what point did retardation take place? When it was coming down. So this is where we're going to get retardation. We'll get retardation here. Then total distance covered, we're going to get total distance covered. We'll teach you how to do that very soon. If you are still with me, say, sir, we are with you. If you are still with me, say, sir, we are with you. If you are still with me, say, sir, we are with you. If you are still with me, say, sir, we are with you. If you are still with me, say, sir, we are with you. Good, good, good. So class, since we all have the question now, I will need to use this place to solve. So I need to claim this question. You have the question in your book now, correct, right? So allow me to claim the assignment while I solve. Allow me to claim the assignment while I solve. Allow me to claim the assignment. We all have the question in our book now. So let's go for the acceleration. Class, a body starts from rest. U is 0. V is 40. Time is 8 seconds. We're looking for A. Someone should tell me in the comment section which of this equation of motion is the best to get my acceleration. Tell me in the comment section. Is it the first one? Is it the second one? Is it the third one? Or is it the fourth one? What equation of motion is best to get acceleration currently? What equation of motion is the best to get acceleration? Tell me in the comment section. Class, the best equation of motion to get acceleration is actually the first equation. V equals to U plus 80. V equals to U plus 80. Why? Because we already have V, we have U, and we have T. We are only looking for A. We are only looking for A. Class. So V is 40. U is 0. A. What's A, class? We don't know. That's what we're looking for. A. What's T? How long did it take to climb up, to accelerate? 8 seconds. 8. So our time T is 8. And see it here. T is 8 seconds. So we're going to say 40 equals to 0 plus 8 times 8, 8A. 8 times 8, 8A. So 0 plus 8A is 8A. So 40 equals to 8A. Because 0 plus 8A is still 8A. Please follow carefully. Follow me carefully. Now we need to make A subject of the formula. We need to make A subject of the formula. We'll divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. 8 cancels 8. So that A is 40 divided by 8. A is 40 divided by 8 is 5 meter per second square. Who got this? Those that were around in last class. If you got A as 5 meter per second square, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you got A as 5 meter per second square, let me know in the comments. Say I got it. Say I got it. If you didn't get it, there's no shame. That's why you are here to learn, right? It's better you fail assignment and pass the main Jamb. It's better you fail assignment and pass the main Jamb. As long as you correct yourself. So class, we've gotten one part of the assignment. Acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Class, let me know if I can claim so I can solve the next part of the assignment. Let me know if I can claim so I can solve the next part of the assignment. Let me know if I can claim. Well done. We have 61 students live and nobody has left. We are doing 100 minutes challenge. If you just joined us, we are going for 100 minutes physics challenge. Currently, we are on 29 minutes. We are going for 100 minutes physics challenge. 100 minutes physics challenge. Currently, we are on 29 minutes. We are not living here for the next 100 minutes. We want to learn our physics. We want to show that we are serious about passing our Jamb. Nobody's living here. We are learning together. All of us, we are in it together. So if you're just joining us, we're in 100 minutes challenge. 100 minutes challenge. 100 minutes challenge. Welcome. If you're just joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're just joining us, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of us. Subscribe just means follow us on YouTube. Follow us on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button as you're watching us so that you can be our member. Are we together? So that anytime we are posting updates, close to Jamb, I'll post a lot of updates. You will miss out if you don't hit that subscribe button. You will miss a lot if you don't hit that subscribe button now. Check, are you subscribed to our channel? This kind of channel that is teaching you life like this. Look at how clear the board is. Everything clear. Physics. Where we get this kind of quality. Hit the subscribe button. Now when you see something good, you should help yourself. I'm writing Jamb this year. Where have I been? Where have I? Hit the subscribe button. You know the good thing about this class? Everything we're teaching now is recorded. Automatically recorded on YouTube. But you can't see it. But if you want to see it, there's a link for it and you get it. Class, I believe you are done with this. Let's move forward. So hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. The next part of the question says we should find the retardation. Class, this was where there was retardation. Class, in this place now, coming down, the body, before the body started coming down, it was on 40. Don't forget, it was on 40. So the initial velocity of the body now is 40 meters per second. Please take note. U is now what? 40 meters per second. Because before the body started coming down, what speed was he at? 40, right? It was on. So U initial velocity is 40. Class, final velocity V is 0. How did I know that final velocity V is 0 meters per second? Tell me how I know. Class, because it came down to rest. It came down to 0, complete. It uniformly retarded down. So my V is 0. It did not tell us in the question, but it's your job to know it as a good physics student. So now my U is 40, my V is 0 in this second aspect. In the first aspect, my U was 0, my V was 40. In the second aspect, my U is 40, my V is 0. Please take note. Because it came to rest. Now class, the next thing we need to look at, in what time? Time is 5 seconds. Class, don't be surprised if your retardation gives you a negative answer. You are correct. Because retardation actually means negative acceleration. Retardation, another name for retardation in physics is deceleration. Another name for retardation in physics is deceleration. One more thing before I continue. Popular thing most students should do on online class. Sir, you are too fast. Sir, I'm not understanding. One good thing about online class is that you can rewind the video and watch it 100 times. And still catch up with us in front. That's one power of an online class that a physical class does not have. So please, I don't want to see anybody in the comments saying, sir, you are too fast, or sir, I don't understand. It's not allowed in an online class. Do you know why? Just rewind the video and watch me again. Rewind it. You can even reduce the speed of your YouTube. There's a place that says go to playback speed. It will reduce the speed so that it will be slower for you. So online class, everybody can understand. You cannot afford not to understand because you can just rewind the video and watch again and again. And even if you rewind the video, it will still show you everything you missed when you were watching the video again. It will show you again. So you don't necessarily have to be watching what is happening now. You can rewind it for your own time. For where you understand, you can rewind the video back in your phone. Check this. Just draw it back and watch again and again. If I solve any question and it looks as if I was too fast for you, you know, all fingers are not equal. All students don't learn at the same pace. I understand. I'm a teacher. I understand. But online class give you the privilege of watching again. In a physical class, if you're in a big or physical class, you cannot rewind the teacher again, right? But online class, you can rewind the class for your own experience. While I'm continuing teaching the other topics, you can be rewinding and watching again. And anything I'm teaching you missed, it will still show you. It's live. It's YouTube that's showing it live. It will show you back. So don't worry yourself. That's why online class is very, very powerful. This is the power of online class. Let's take advantage of it. So I don't want to say, sir, you're too fast. Also, I don't understand. You don't need to do that. The time you're using to type that in, just rewind. So let me watch him again. I'll watch again. After this whole class is over, you need the link to this class so that you can sit down and watch it on your own time. I'll send to you, sir. Send me the link of this full class. When I'll watch a game. But that will only be for our registered members though. Only our registered members. Because if you go to my YouTube now and you search for this video, you will not see it. This class that is holding now, if I did not send you the link, you will never know that class is holding. This is how between my students, you will not even know. If I did not send you the link, if I did not post the link everywhere, you will never know. Only my students know that class is holding. If you go to my YouTube normally, you will never see this video. It's not there, it's locked. It's only for my members. Are we together? So if you want to join us, you are welcome to join us as well in our class. Now let's continue. So remember, if you don't understand anything, rewind and watch again. Now, we're looking for retardation. Retardation is still acceleration. We're still looking for A. Retardation still means acceleration, but negative acceleration. So class, we're still going to use the first equation of motion to get A. V equals to U plus AT. What's our V? Our V is 0. What's our U? Our U is 40. What's our A? Our A we don't know. What's our T? Our T is 5 seconds. Remember, it took 5 seconds to come down. It took 5 seconds to come down. Class, 5 times A is 5A. So 0 equals to 40 plus 5A. Now let us move plus 5A to this other side of the equation. What will happen in mathematics? When a sign moves from one side to the other, the sign will change, right? So plus 5A comes to this side and becomes minus 5A. Plus 5A moves to this side and becomes minus 5A equals to 40. Plus 5A moves to this side and becomes minus 5A. Now let us make A subject to the formula. Divide both sides by minus 5. Divide both sides by minus 5. So minus 5 cancels minus 5. So that A equals to 40 divided by minus 5 is minus 8 meter per second squared. Please don't be surprised that your answer is carrying minus, because retardation means negative acceleration. In fact, you should be more surprised if there is no minus in your answer. It means you are wrong. This is negative acceleration. Who has got the 2 so far? Let me know what is going on. Don't forget our 100 minutes challenge. Don't forget our 100 minutes challenge. Who has gotten the 2 so far? Who has gotten the 2 so far? Don't forget our 100 minutes challenge. Don't forget our 100 minutes challenge. Yeah, someone said I will stay to the end, sir. I like this set. I love this set. Someone said I will stay to the end. Someone said, sir, we are with you. That's the vibe. That's the energy. I like this. This set is good. This is good. Sir, I will stay to the end. Sir, we are with you, sir. I love this. I love this. I love this. Please, anytime you don't understand something, rewind the video and watch again. Rewind the video and watch again. If I'm going back to teach it again, we're just wasting time, because when you can rewind and watch again, you just rewind the video and watch again, and you can still catch up with us. Anytime you are lost, take the video back and watch again. Take the video back and watch again. Now, please take note. One more thing, please, class. One more thing. After this class is over, the link to this class, this particular class, and you want to watch it again, don't need to ask me for the link. The link I sent you now that you used to join this class is the same link you can use to go and watch the class again. So anytime I'm talking to my private students, anytime I post a link to come live, it came live, right? That link I posted, I used to come live now. Anytime you want to come and watch this class again, click this same link. It will show you this class again. So don't ask me for a new link. It's the same link. Because some of you after the class, you ask, sir, please give me the link of that class. I did not stay today and I have my network issues. I will not tell you to go back to that same link. It's the same link. So let me just give you an idea. Our private class students, anytime I post a link for a class, copy that link and post it in your personal WhatsApp or somewhere. So anytime you want to go and watch that class again, you still click that same link. Are we following? If you understand what I mean, say, sir, I understand. If you understand what I mean, say, sir, I understand. Say, sir, I understand. If you understand what I mean, say, sir, I understand. If you understand what I mean, say, sir, I understand. Say, sir, I understand. If you understand what I mean. So please, after the class, don't come and be asking me for links. Sir, give me the link to that class. I mean, I missed the class. No. This link that brought you to this live now is the same link. The link that brought you to this live class, the link that is posted, that I say we are live now, that brought you to this live class, go and copy it and save it. It's the same link that you used to come for only this class. So that link will not take you to any of my other class. Like next week we have, every Tuesday we have physics, right? That link will not give you access to next week class. So, but to show you this class again, this particular class again. Are we together? It will show you this particular class again. So don't come and be asking my dear, sir, send the link, sir, and you are not finished to the end. This is the link, you have it already. That's why I don't reply some of you, because you don't used to use phone. This technology, this 21st century, people are the Gen Zs, that you should know more than me, sir. You are Gen Zs. So when we were doing Jamb, then we didn't have all this privilege. Nobody could not learn anywhere online. We didn't even have phone when I was doing Jamb then. I didn't even have phone as a small boy then. I don't have any phone. People are very lucky. You can be in your house and you can meet a good teacher online like this. You are very lucky. So let's go to the third question now. question said we should find total distance covered. Total distance covered. Class, there are three aspects of motion. This body covered. This is the first aspect when it went up like this. This is the second aspect when it's moved uniformly like this. And this is the third aspect when it was coming down. So we must find the distance covered here, the distance covered here, and the distance covered here. But class, let me give you a shortcut. If you look at this body, you see that this is a trapezium. Class, you know that the total surface area covered by this graph is also the same thing as total distance covered in a velocity time graph. The total surface area of the graph is the total distance covered in a velocity time graph. Are you aware that the slope of a velocity time graph is acceleration? They can ask you in Jamb. The slope of a velocity time graph is called dash. Acceleration. If you knew that before, if you had an idea of that, because sir is try correct, sir, I agree. If you remember this thing from secondary school, they must have taught you in secondary school. Say, sir, I remember, I agree. Say it in the comment section. Say, I agree. Say, sir, I agree, I remember. That the slope of a velocity time graph is acceleration. And the total surface area covered by a velocity time graph is the total distance covered. Because they ask us to find total distance covered. I just need to find the total surface area of the graph. Let me bring that in. Look at the shape of the graph. This is the shape of the graph. This is the graph. And in this graph, from this point to this point is 12. Is what? 12. Up, 12. But from this point to this point is 25. 0 to 20, 25. Now, from this point to this point is 40. It went from 0 to 40. 40. This line is parallel to this line. So this is 40. So this is what? 40. Now, we will now say, what's the formula for area of the trapezium? Area of trapezium. Class, this is a shorter approach. I will show you the longer approach. Remember that in your exam, speed is everything. In your exam, speed is everything. But this is a shorter approach. I will show you the longer approach and see that we'll get the same answer. What's the area of the trapezium? 1 over 2a plus b times what? Height. Who remembers? Who remembers? Area of the trapezium. If you remember, say, sir, I remember. 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 Yes, we are 74 now. This is good. I like this set. This set want to pass their Jamb. We are 74. If you like, leave. 74 people are live with us learning. So make sure you're not the one that left. These people are your competitors. Jamb is a competition. Oh. That course you are going for, everybody cannot get it. Hope you know. Everybody cannot get it. That course you are going for, everybody cannot get it. So once you leave the life, someone has taken your spot. So sit up. That's the mentality you should have. We are 70 students live now. 70 students live. So area of trapezium is 1 over 2a plus b times height. That will be 1 over 2. Class, in the trapezium, this is a, this is b, and this is the height. So that will be 1 over 2, 12 plus 25 times the height. What is the height? 40. Area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium. 1 over 2, 12 plus 25, 40. 2 year 1, 2 year 20. 2 year 1, 2 year 20. 12 plus 25 is 37. So we have 37 into bracket 20, right? 37 times 20 is 740. Someone should confirm this, but I'm very good in mathematics. I calculate with my head. I've been teaching for a long time, but someone should confirm. What's 37 times 20? Is it 740? 37 times 20. Someone should confirm. Is it 740? I use my head. You see, I'm not pressing anything. I'm on the board here. But I think it's 740. Someone should confirm though. Nobody's perfect. Nobody is perfect. But confirm. Let's know. If you got this, let me 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 know. Oluwa Kemi said, I got it. Well done, class. Well done. Everybody's participating. Make sure you are participating. Make sure you are commenting. Engage. If I ask you something, engage. Type something. Let's iron sharpen iron. Let's push each other to success. Let's push each other to success. Yes. Ologu Mary Jane says 740. So we are correct, right? So total distance covered by the board is 740. In case you are lost, don't forget what I said you do. Rewind and watch again. If you are lost, just rewind and watch again. Don't think that I will miss what they're teaching now. You will not miss it. It's online. Some of you need to remove that physical class from your system. You are still used to physical class. In physical class, when teacher is teaching now, you have to forget what you taught before. So you can focus on what you don't want to miss the one that's teaching now. So meanwhile, you have not understood the previous one. So you are now rushing to write the one teaching now. So some of you sitting there in physical class. So you think that if I rewind now, we'll miss what's teaching now. No, you will not miss it. It will show you when you come back. It will carry you and bring you back and show you what you have missed. It's online. This is the power of online class. This is the power of online class. You will not miss out. So anytime you don't understand anything, it's not compulsory you must be where we are now. Class, you are here for yourself. You know your level. Everybody knows their level. Some of you know that physics is your problem. Take your time, slow it down, watch again, help yourself. Don't rush with others. Don't say I must be with all of them. No. Calm down, learn for your own good. Pass your Jamb. Are we together? Pass your Jamb. Rewind, watch again. Rewind, watch again. Rewind. Okay, what did this say here? Okay, this is what he said. Rewind it, slow it, pause it. See, okay, this is what he wrote on the board. Watch again. I'm just trying to help you. Class. Write down free fall motion. Free fall motion. Let us go to free fall motion. Everybody write down free fall motion. 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 We want to look at free fall motion. Class, the question we just took now is under linear motion. That's motion of the body on a straight line. Linear motion is the motion of the body on a straight line. But in a free fall motion is the vertical motion of the body. Class, a body undergoing free fall motion, write down notes. Up here when you're writing materials, notes, write down notes. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two possible ways. A body undergoing free fall motion, make sure you're writing. I'm dictating. I am dictating. Hope you're writing material. This is not a movie you're watching, or you're in a class. You're in a live class. Write down. So, let me start again. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two directions. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two directions. One is upward. When you put upward, put against gravity. Against gravity. And two, downward. And two, downward. Open bracket. In favor of gravity. In favor of gravity. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two possible directions. Upward against gravity. Downward in favor of gravity. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two possible directions. Upward against gravity. Downward in favor of gravity. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two possible directions. Upward against gravity. Downward in favor of gravity. A body undergoing free fall motion can move in two possible directions. Upward against gravity, downward in favor of gravity. Class, there are some things you must know when the body is undergoing free fall. Class, either the body is falling from a height down or it is going from down up. So this is downward and this upward. Class, it's easier for a body to come down than to go up. When the body is coming down, even gravity wants a body to come down. Are you aware that every object under the surface of the earth is under the influence of gravity? It's under the influence of the gravitational pull. The gravitational pull on everybody is downward. The force of gravity acting on everybody on the surface of the earth is downward. So when you are going down, you're just helping gravity to do its work. Because gravity even wants you to go down. gravity wants you to go down. So when the body is going down, it's in favor of gravity. When the body is going downward, it is in favor of gravity. When going upward, you are now going against gravity. And that must reflect in your equation of motion. Because class, I intentionally left these equations here because I'm going to transform these equations to the ones that are suited for free-fall motion. One challenge that students have in Jamb physics exam is how to maneuver this equation to solve free-fall motion. If you use these equations like this, you will not get the correct answer when you are dealing with free-fall motion. And motion is one topic you cannot escape in Jamb. After motion, I will take another wicked topic. There are top 10 topics in physics I will cover for you. If you don't score at least 90% in Jamb, come and meet me, I will refund you. It means I failed you. If you don't score up to 90% in physics Jamb, I failed you. Come and meet me, I will refund you. It means I failed you. I failed you. It means it's me that failed, it's not you. It's me that failed, it's not. If you follow my mock exam every week, you don't miss my class every week. Okay, I'll do mock exam every Friday. I do mock exam for my students. You register with me, I do mock exam for you every Friday. I teach you from Monday to Saturday English, physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics. You don't score 90% in physics. I'm not Jamb master again. It means I failed you. I'm owing you. So class, after motion, I'll take, there are 10 topics I'm going to take. I told you last week, right? Top 10 topics that Jamb does not joke with. The 80-20 principle I told you about. Jamb takes 80% of their exam from only 20% of the Jamb syllabus. Why everybody is reading everything in Jamb? The smart students are reading the key topics that Jamb must bring. Because your lecturer can only set 40 questions. Your lecturer can only set 40 questions in physics. So you have to prioritize some topics. And there are some topics that Jamb will query your examiner if doesn't set it. If the examiner does not set some topics, Jamb will query the examiner. Say, why are you not setting motion? How can you set Jamb physics exam if you don't set motion? Motion, there are many types of motion. How do you escape all the types of motion? Projectile motion, circular motion, linear motion, free-fall motion, simple harmonic motion. If you do not set anything, it's not possible. And you go and check any Jamb here. Motion must come as one way or the other. After motion, I will enter electricity. I will break every. You cannot write Jamb physics and you don't see electricity. It's not possible. After electricity, I will enter waves. You cannot write Jamb physics and you don't see waves. So I will touch the top 10 physics topics. And you score 90 in Jamb. It works. That's worked from previous sets. 300 in Jamb. I've seen too many 300. I'm tired. I've seen too many 300 in Jamb. I'm tired. You are the next. You are the. Someone type, I am the next. If you are still with me, say, I am the next. There's power in the tongue. Say it with your mouth. So that when your score comes out, you can tell people that I said it once and it happened live. Say, I am the next. In the comment section. Say, I am the next. Let's continue. Say, I am the next. I am the next. Say, I am the next. Let's go. Class. When the body is coming down, it's coming in favor of gravity. And class, there's something you must know about a body coming down. Anytime a body drops from a height downward, note, write down, let me dictate this. Write down, note. Anytime a body drops from a height downward, note that the initial velocity u is 0 meters per second. Anytime a body drops from a height downwards, note the initial velocity u is 0 meters per. Anytime a body drops from a height down, the initial velocity u is 0 meters per second. Plus, anytime a body drops from a height down, note the initial velocity u is 0 meters per second. Anytime a body drops from a height down, anytime a body drops from a height down, the initial velocity u is 0 meters per second. Anytime a body drops from a height down, the initial velocity u is 0 meters per second. Anytime a body drops from a height down, the initial velocity u is 0 meters per second. Class. But as the body is coming down, because it's in favor of gravity, gravity is pushing it, the speed is increasing. So when the body is coming down from a height, class, the speed is increasing. And class, you could be asking your Jamb exam, at what point does the body have the highest speed when falling from a height down? Listen to me carefully. At what point does the body have its highest speed when falling from a height down? At what point does the body have its highest speed when falling from a height down? Class, the point where the body has its highest speed, note, they can ask you in Jamb. This one is not calculation, no formula can answer this question for you. If you don't know, you don't know it. So listen carefully. Those are the most wicked questions in physics, the ones that you don't even need any formula to solve. You just have to get the correct theoretical background. At what point does the body have its highest height when falling from a height downward? Class, remember that when the body is falling from a height, initial speed is 0. Anytime a body falls from a height, initial speed is 0. And it is coming down. Gravity is pushing it. It is coming down in favor of gravity, remember. So gravity is also helping it to go fast. Plus, the answer is just before it hits the ground. Just before it hits the ground, the body has higher speed. Just before it hits the ground. A body has the highest speed just before it hits the ground. When the body is falling from a height down, the body's highest speed is just before it hits the ground. Please take note. Never forget that. Never forget that. Never forget that. Class, just before it hits the ground, the body has highest speed. That is why if you throw a ball from up down, because the speed is so much, the impact, it will bounce up again. The speed will carry time to push up a game. Class, follow this. In linear motion, anytime you say a body starts from rest, it means u is 0, right? In linear motion, anytime you say a body starts from rest, it means u is 0. In free fall motion, anytime a body falls from a height, anytime you hear fall, just know that u is 0. Because if you don't get that u as 0, you'll be struggling to solve motion problems. Because if you want, they did not give me u now, they did not give me u now, and in free fall motion, nobody will tell you start from rest. If it's in linear motion, they will help you and say a body starts from rest. So you already know that u is 0. But in free fall motion, they will not say a body starts from rest. So you will not even remember that u is 0. They will just say a body falls from a height. It's your job to code it that anytime a body falls from a height down, u is 0. Good, let's go. So class, just before it hits the ground, it has higher speed. So class, before a body starts falling, the speed is 0. But just before it hits the ground, the final speed is maximum. Before a body starts falling from a height, the initial speed is 0. But just before it hits the ground, the final speed, v, is maximum. That means maximum is the highest speed. It is the highest speed. Just before it hits the ground, the final velocity, v, is maximum. Highest is the highest. V is the highest just before it hits the ground. It is 0 just before it starts falling. Highest before it hits the ground. But this one is coming down. Now let's consider when the body is going up. Follow me now. You could also be asked this question in exam, Jamb. Class, just like they asked you here. They said, at what point does the body have the highest speed? When it's coming down, right? Now, when it's going up, at what point does the body have the highest speed? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Let me know if you are following me. At what point does the body have the highest speed when thrown up? Let me know in the comment section. I've told you the one for down. Let me know the one for up. When the body is thrown up, what point does it have its highest speed? When the body is thrown up, what point does it have? People ask, I am the next. I love this set. As you said it, so shall it be, by God's grace. Everybody saying, I am the next. I am the next. I like this set. Nobody is dulling. Nobody is dulling. There's power in the tongue. There's power in the tongue. As you said it, your score, you see your score like that. I like this set. Everybody's saying, I am the next. I am the next. This is good. This is good. At what point does the body have its highest speed when thrown up? At what point does the body have its highest speed when thrown up? Yes, very good. Class, immediately it leaves the ground. You are correct. Just before it moves from the ground, correct. You are, those of you that said just before it moves from the ground, you are very correct. You are very correct. Class, because the body is going against gravity. As soon as you release the body from your hand, it's now competing with gravity. And gravity does not want you to go up. Gravity wants you to come down. So gravity will be fighting that body from going up. It will be fighting that body. And because it's fighting that body, the body speed will be reducing. It will be reducing. So class, if you throw a ball up, if you throw the ball up with a speed of 20 meters per second, as it is going up, the speed will be reducing 15, 10, 5, till at maximum height, the speed now reduced to 0 meters per second. So let me tell you something. When the body is thrown up, just before it starts going up, just before it leaves the ground, the speed is the highest. Just before it leaves the ground, just before it leaves the ground. Just before it leaves the ground. The body has the highest speed just before it leaves the ground. The body's highest speed is just before it leaves the ground. As soon as it takes off, class, because it's going against gravity, the speed is reducing. It's reducing. When it was coming down in favor of gravity, the speed was increasing because gravity is allowing it to increase. It's favoring gravity. So gravity says, go down, don't worry, go down, I'm happy. When going up, gravity is not happy. So gravity is fighting the speed. And the speed is reducing. So class, let me tell you something. Anytime you say a body is thrown up at maximum height, write it in your book. Write it in your book now. Note, at maximum height, final velocity is 0. When the body is thrown up at maximum height, the final velocity is 0. At maximum height, final velocity is what? 0. When the body is thrown up at maximum height, the final velocity is what? 0. When the body is thrown up at maximum height, the final velocity is 0. When the body is thrown up at maximum height, the final velocity is 0. When a body is thrown up at maximum height, the final velocity is 0. When a body is thrown up at maximum height, the final velocity is what? 0. So class, when coming down, the initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is maximum. When going up, the initial velocity is maximum. What do we mean by maximum? It's the highest, just before it leaves the ground. As soon as it starts going up, the velocity reduces until the final becomes 0. So when going up, the body really starts with a very big velocity, maximum velocity. When the body is going up, class, you will not even be able to go up if you don't have a big velocity, because you are going against gravity, you need big velocity. So as like you want to throw something up, you used to have put effort, right? To push something up, you used to put effort, right? Something down, you don't need any effort, just drop it to go down. Gravity will help you bring it down. Gravity will help you bring it down. If you were taught physics like this, you would have loved physics. You know that, right? Some of you, why you hate physics, you are intelligent. But the teacher that taught you in secondary school did not try. When I was in secondary school, the teacher that taught me was a stammerer. I couldn't even hear him well. He was a stammerer, like he was stammering. I said, this man, hey, God. Some of you, the reason why you are not good in physics or chemistry is not because you are not intelligent, you are very smart, you are intelligent. When you're in secondary school, when you're in primary school, you don't write exam twice. You used to pass, remember? You were the best in your primary school, remember? You were very intelligent. Until you started meeting some kind of teachers that you were not doing their job well. And then you started having issues. You are smart, you are intelligent. You are very, very intelligent. Are we together? When we break down things like this, it makes you understand better. So as I was saying, when you are going against gravity, when you are trying something up, you need to put effort, remember? I'm trying to make it relatable to you. Because why you hate physics that the way your teacher teach it, they make it look as if it's one very hard thing. They don't bring it to your environment. Like make it, let you imagine, let you relate with what you are learning. But when I teach, I try to make you relate with what you are learning. When you throw something up, you are going against gravity. So you put in more effort. Notice, when you are bringing something down, you don't even need to put, don't do like this, just drop it to go down naturally. So when you are throwing something up, you need maximum speed to push it up. But as soon as you have that thing has left your hand, even your maximum speed is not going to be able to fight gravity. Gravity is too big. The speed will start dropping until the final speed becomes 0. So initial speed is maximum, final speed is 0. Well, coming down, initial speed is 0, final speed is maximum. Now you might feel we have not done anything, but these are key Jamb topics. They can ask you this. So let's now go to how to transform the linear equation to free fall equation. Class, these 4 equations of motion, I'm going to rewrite them for free fall motion. These 4 equations of motion as they are now, they are for linear motion. That's motion on a straight line. That's motion moving left and right. Straight line. Straight. But when the body is going up and down, this guy will not work for you. You have to transform some things. Class, your V will not be equal to U. We're going to say plus or minus. Your acceleration changes to G. Because class, you are going against gravity, so it's acceleration due to gravity. When the body is undergoing free fall motion, it's either you are going against gravity or in favor of gravity. So we're not going to use normal acceleration, class. We use acceleration due to gravity. Time will never change. T is still T. T is still T. So we have transformed V equals to U plus AT to what? V equals to U plus or minus GT. I will tell you why we have plus or minus, class. For free fall motion, we use plus when the body is coming down, favor of gravity. And we use minus when the body is going up. We use plus when it's coming down, plus, downward is plus. We use minus when it's going up. So plus is for down, minus is for up. Please take note. Plus is for down, minus is for up. If you understand, say, sir, I understand, sir. If you understand, type in the comment section, I understand, sir. If you understand, type in the comment section, I understand, sir. If you understand, type in the comment section, I understand, sir. So our first equation of motion have changed. Let's look at the second one. V square equals to U square plus or minus 2. Class, A changes to G. Remember, G. What is S normally? S means distance, right? Class, in freeform motion, the distance covered is the height, H. Height attained. The distance covered in freeform motion is height, H. So don't use S for freeform, use H. If you are still following, say, sir, I understand, I am following, sir. Sir, fire down, sir, fire down. The third equation of motion, S is also distance, right? Changes to height, H. Anywhere you see S, put H, height, equals to UT plus or minus half GT square. H equals to UT plus or minus half GT square. And the last one, H equals to U plus V all over 2T. Class, these are the equation of motion plus or minus, obviously. These are the equation of motion you will use when dealing with free fall. Don't go and be using normal acceleration for free fall. A body undergoing free fall is under the influence of acceleration due to gravity. From a secondary school, remember, G is what? 10 meters per second square is a constant. G is a constant, either 10 or 9.8, right? Or 9.8 meters per second square. The value of G is 10 or 9.8. If you are following, let me know. Let me know. Don't forget, 100-minute challenge. 100 minutes challenge. 100 minutes challenge. 100 minutes challenge. 100 minutes challenge. Someone says, sir, please don't forget to send the video materials. Which video materials? Good luck, Abunike. Sir, please don't forget to send the video materials. Which materials? If you are ready for questions now, say, sir, we are ready for questions. You know, so far I've been explaining. It's time to give questions. If you are ready for questions, sir, we are ready for questions. If you are ready for questions, say, we are ready for questions. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us go, let us go. If you are ready for questions, say, we are ready for questions. Yes, Grace said, ready, sir. Grace said, ready, sir. Grace Adesewa said, ready, sir. Precious Ejike said, ready, sir. Binta said, ready for questions, sir. Good, I like this set. Everybody's active. Sir, we are ready. Abundance said, we are ready. Dauda said, fire down, sir. Oluwakemi said, sir, we are ready for questions. Ulogu Mary Jane say, we're ready for questions. Balikis ready, I understand, sir. Precious Francis ready, sir. This is good. I like the engagement. This is good. This is good. This is good. Let's take the first question. Are you ready? Take down your writing material now. Get ready to write. Get ready to write. Get ready to write. A ball is thrown upward. A ball is thrown upward. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. Also, find the distance to this highest point. Also, find the distance to this highest point. Let me come again. Let me come again. In case you are lost, let me come again. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity. A ball is thrown upwards. Is thrown upwards with initial velocity of 40 meters per second. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. Also, find the distance to this highest point. Find the distance to this highest point. Find the distance to this highest point. The distance to this highest point. Take G as 10 meters per second square. I told you, G is a constant. Take G as 10 meter per second square. Take G as 10 meter per second square. Take G as 10 meter per second square. If you got the question, say, sir, I got the question. If you got the full dictation I just gave you, say, sir, I got the question. If you got the question and say, I got the question. If you got the question, say, sir, I got the question. Yes. Dafe Wisdom say, I got it. To Faber say, following. Oluka Kemi say, I got the question. Precious GK say, I like this set. Everybody's typing. This is good. Dafe Wisdom say, I got the question. Precious Francis, I got the question. I like this set. I love this set. Ngozi said, I got the question. Excellent. Binta said, I got it, sir. I like this set. I like this set. I like this set. Some people have joined us back. We're almost 70 again. Where did you go before? Don't go again. Join our 100 minutes challenge. Join our 100 minute physics challenge. Ologu Merijin said, I got it completely. Samuel Egu said, I got the question. I like the energy in this set. Everybody's active. If you have not left to the beginning of this class, say, I have not left. If you have not left, apart from network issue, you have not left to the beginning of this class, say, I have not left, sir. If you have not left to the beginning of this class, say, I have not left. I have not left this class. So we can solve this question. I have not left. If you have not left to the beginning of this class, say, I have not left. I have not left. Since we started, I have not left. Apart from network, I have not left. Yes, Precious said active to the end. I have not left. I have not left. Precious said, I have not left. These are people that want to score high. Gift Udo said immediately it leaves the ground. Okay. I have not left. Edafe Wisdom, I have not left. Ologumeri, since I came, I have not left. Good. Since I came, I have not left. Sasanwegu, I have not left since I came. Let us solve. A ball is thrown upward with initial velocity U is 40 meters per second. Find the time it takes for the ball to reach its highest point. We're looking for time. And they gave us G as 10 meters per second square. Also, find the distance to the highest point. Distance means height. Class, anything distance in free fall motion is height. We're looking for time and we're looking for height. Class, this ball is thrown upward. What did I tell you about someone being thrown upward? If U is 40 meters per second, I want to see if you are following. I want to make my class interactive. Why did I tell you to type? Don't think I'm wasting your time. I want to make the class interactive. If I just stand on this board, I'm just teaching myself, and I don't even care whether you understand or not. It's not good. So don't think I'm wasting time. It's good the class is interactive. This is a dialogue, not a monologue. I can stand on this board and be teaching. It will even help me. I will save more energy. Because this one is taking more energy from me, walking up and down. But I want to help you pass. If I don't want your success, I will just stand on the board and be teaching. It's easier. 2 hours, I will go. As when you paid me, I thought I can go my way. But you see that I'm putting passion into this teaching. I'm putting my passion, I'm putting my all into it to make you understand. I'm trying to engage you in the class so that you can be part of the class. I can just stand on this board and be teaching. I will not even care whether you understand. I will not even checking the comments. I'll just be teaching myself. But that's why a good teacher behaves. A good teacher makes sure that everybody's carried along. I want you to actually pass. That's the way I'm talking. I want you to pass. See the way I'm putting my energy into it. So please don't think we're wasting time by asking you to comment. When I say comment, comment. Let us engage each other. You understand? Let it be active. When you are commenting, it will make you not to feel sleepy because you are also involved. But if I just stand on this board for the last 2 hours teaching, you will sleep off, you'll be bored. I'm not talking to you, I just left you there. Communication is key. Between teacher and student, you must communicate. If I just left you there, I'm just teaching myself. I don't even ask you anything whether you understand or not. I'm just teaching, giving class or cleaning the board, solving. I'm not helping you. So I want you to pass. So that's why I'm engaging with you. So class, what did I say when the ball is thrown up at initial velocity of 40? If the body starts with 40 meters per second, what will happen as this comment section? Let me know in the comment section. What will happen as this body is thrown up? What will happen as this body is thrown up? Let me know in the comment section. What will happen as this body is thrown up? I want to ask you. Tell me in the comment section. I'm watching the comment section. What will happen as the body is thrown up? The body is thrown up with 40 meters per second. What will happen as it's going up? Yes. Someone said the speed will increase. It will not increase, it will reduce. When you are going up, you are going against gravity.
Pressure GK, you said it reaches a maximum velocity of 0. No. It reaches 0, but not maximum. Minimum. 0 is not maximum, it's minimum now. What you would have said is reaches a minimum velocity of 0, not maximum. The maximum velocity is 40. As it's going up, the speed is reducing, remember. Thank you. Binta said the speed will decrease. Thank you. Abundance said the speed decreases, and then the final velocity is 0. Thank you. The velocity will be reducing. God bless you. You are getting it. The speed will keep reducing until it becomes 0. The speed will keep reducing until it becomes... So final velocity becomes 0 meter per second. If you don't figure that V is 0, you will never get the answer to this question. Because you already have 2 unknowns. Now imagine you don't know that V is 0. It means you will not have 3 unknowns, and you will not be able to use it. This question will never give you the answer if you don't know that V is 0. Because in your mind you think that they did not give me V, they did not give me H, they did not give me T, they only gave me U and G. If you don't know that V is 0, class, these questions cannot help you. None of these questions will help you. Class, I'll repeat again, when the body is going up, it's going against gravity. It started with 40, but it's going up. Gravity is fighting the speed. The speed is reducing. At maximum height, the speed becomes 0. At that point, the body can no longer go up. That means it reaches maximum height. At maximum height, speed becomes 0. Please take notes. If you now get it, say, sir, I get it. If you get it now, say, sir, I get it. Make sure you're engaging. I'm trying to help you so you will not slip off. Type, say, sir, I get it. Say, sir, I get it now. Sir, I get it now. Now that we know that V is 0, and U is 40, and G is 10, we now have more things to be able to solve our question, class. Someone should now tell me, what equation of motion do you think we'll use to get T? Which of this equation of motion will easily give us our T time? Someone should tell me in the comment section. What equation of motion will give me T time? What equation of motion will give me T time? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? Tell me in the comment section. I want to know in the comment section what equation of motion will give me my time. Also, let me know, are we going to use plus or minus? Know that in the question has plus or minus. Are we going to use plus or minus? Tell me in the comments. Favor is typing. Well done. Favor Okeke, I see you. Precious Francis, I see you. Samuel Egu, I see you. Binta, I see you. Joshua Ojigu, I see you. Adejoy, I see you. Abundant, I see you. Queen Lawson, I see you. Joshua Ojigu, I see you. Adele Lumo, I see you. I see you. Elisha Sunday, I see you. Ologu Mary, I see you. Francis Treasure, I see you. Grace Adesewa, I see you. Eddie Edet, I see you. Agata, I see you. Well done, well done. Those commenting, well done. Blessing Chidima, I see you. She said, I have not left, sir. I have not left, sir. Abundance, I see you. Favor, okay, well done. But favor, it is not plus. This person is going up against gravity. When you are going up against gravity, it's not plus, it's minus we will use. You see why we have to give question? It is minus we are going to use. Balikis, I see you. Francis Treasure, I see you. Edafe Wisdom, I see you. Precious Francis, well done. Precious AGK, well done. We have 2 precious in our class. Michelle, I see you. Michelle, I see you. Ochim, marvelous, I see you. Divine King Justice, I see you. I see you. Emmanuel, I see you. Minister Oluwademe, I see you. Dauda, I see you. Divine, I see you. It is minus because it's going against gravity. It's going up. When it's coming down, it is plus. When it's coming down, that is wisdom, I see you. Priestley Evanson, I see you. Priestley Evanson, I see you. Going up, it is minus. When coming down, it is plus. So we're going to be using minus because it's going up. Because it's going up against gravity. Please don't confuse that. So we're going to say V. We're going to use the first equation of motion. You are correct. The first one can deal with it. V equals to U minus GT. So we're going to pick minus. We're not going to pick plus. We're going to pick minus. V equals to U minus GT. What is my V? My V is 0. Class, note that this 0 we got, only a good physics student that we taught will know that V is 0. Many of your Jamb candidates will fail this question because they did not tell us in the question that V is 0. They did not even hint us at all. It's your job to know that anytime a body is thrown up against gravity at maximum height, V is 0. Nobody will tell you. So my V is 0, my U is 40. Minus my G is a constant. They gave us G as 10, don't forget 10. And it's time I'm looking for T. So So V is 0, U 40, minus, why are we using minus? Going against gravity. Minus is going against, when going up is minus, when coming down is plus. G is 10T. Let us bring minus 10T to this side of the equation. It becomes plus 10T. So 10T equals to 40. 10T equals to 40. How did it minus 10T become 10T? Because when you move minus to this side, the sign will change to plus. Now let us make T so that the formula divide both side by 10. Let us make T so that the formula divide both side by 10. 10 cancels 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4 seconds. Who got 4 seconds before I got it? Who are my best students in physics? Let me know. You got, sir, I got 4 seconds before you got it. Who are my best physics students for this set? Who are my best physics students for this set? Sir, I got 4 seconds before you got it. Sir, I got 4 seconds before you got it. So I was rushing to solve and I got it before you got it. Let me see my best physics student. Let me see my best student this year. Let me see my best physics student. If you didn't get it, no problem. Oh, don't worry. You are here to learn. Don't worry yourself. You are here to learn. You're here to learn. You're here to learn. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. If you didn't get it, it's better you fail now and go and pass the main exam. Now and go and pass the main exam. If you're done writing, let me know. Type another question, sir. If you are done writing this, type another question, sir. So let's fire on another question. If you are done writing, another question, sir. Another question, sir. Don't forget, anytime you are lost, just rewind and watch again. That's the power of online class. The power is in your hand. You don't need to wait for teacher to come and explain again. Just rewind and watch again. And you will still catch up with us. Another question, sir. Another question. Good. Precious, I see you. Another question, sir. Edafe, another question, sir. Yes. Edafe said, sir, another question so I can understand you. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. We are now 73 live. 73 live. Some people have joined us again. Those of you joining us, welcome. Make sure you don't leave. Now that you have joined us, join us to 100 minutes challenge. Join us to 100 minutes challenge. Join us to 100 minutes challenge. Let us take another question. 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 A palm fruit. A palm fruit. Francis, another question. I see you. Yes. Omowumi, I see you. Anyanwu, I see you. Divine King, I see you. Elisha, I see you. Well done. Everybody say another question. A palm fruit. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. How long does it take to reach the ground? How long does it take to reach the ground? A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. How long does it take to reach the ground? How long does it take to reach the ground? How long does it take to reach the ground? How long does it take to reach the ground? I'm giving you two questions. I'm giving you two questions. I'm giving you two questions. Two questions. If you are done with question one, let me know. If you have gotten question one completely, let me know. But just for the benefit of doubt, I'll dictate it one more time. Because this is an online class, so some people's network might be slow. I will dictate it one more time. Question one more time. If you are done, type. If you've gotten to it, type. I've gotten question one. Question one. Let me go one more time. A palm fruit. Palm. P-A-L-M. Palm. A palm fruit. A palm. A palm. Palm fruit. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters.
How long does it take to reach the ground? How long does it take to reach the ground? How long does it take to reach the ground? They say take G. Take G as 10 meter per second square. Take G as 10 meter per second square. Take G as 10 meter per second square. If you're ready for the second question, say, sir, ready, ready, sir, ready, sir. If you're ready for the second question, this second question will test you. Okay, someone just reminded me. That first question we solved. We only solved one part. We have not solved the second part. That first question we solved. Thank you for those reminding me. Okay, let me finish dictating this second question. Then I will go back to that first question. That first one we solved. We have not solved. It has two parts. Remember, it has two parts. We have not solved the distance. We are going to go back and solve for distance. Thank you for reminding me. You see why I need to come back and be checking the comments? Imagine I was just teaching on the board. I was not checking what's going on here. Imagine. It's good teacher is relating with students. Make sure you come and relate with students so you can know what's going on. Let's take the second question. Let us take the second question. Then I will go back to that original question we solved first. We have not solved it. It has two parts. We only solved one part. We've not solved the height. It has two parts. Second question, let's go. What is the total time of flight? Many of you will miss this question. I'm already saying it. What is the total time of flight of an object projected vertically upwards with a speed of 30 meters per second? What is the total time of flight of an object projected vertically upwards with a speed of 30 meters per second? What is the total time of flight of an object projected vertically upwards with a speed of 30 meters per second? Take G as 10 meters per second square. Take G as 10 meters per second square. Take G as 10 meters per second square. What is total time of flight of an object projected vertically upward with a speed of 30 meters per second? What's total time of flight of an object projected vertically upward with a speed of 30 meters per second? What is total time of flight of an object projected vertically upwards with a speed of 30 meters per second? Take G as 10 meters per second square. Let me know what you have. 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 Now, class, let us go back and solve. Let us go back and solve that first question. Let us go back and solve that first question. Let us go back and solve that question. We did not get the height for that first question we gave. We did not get the height for the first question we gave. We did not get the height. They say we should find the distance to the highest point. They say a ball is thrown vertically upwards. Please make sure you are following. Don't be distracted with these new two questions I gave you. Follow this first. A ball is thrown upward with a velocity of 40 meters. So U was 40, right? We know that if the ball is going upward, the maximum height V is 0. Remember, we got V was 0 meters per second, right? U is 40. Please make sure you don't get confused. So this is that first question that we did before. Before I gave these two new ones. That first question we did not finish the question. We did not do the height. We got carried away. Let's go and get the height. They said we should find the distance to the highest point. Remember the height, H. We only got one part, which is the time. We did not get the height. So we are going back to solve it. Someone just reminded me in the comment section. A ball is thrown up with an initial velocity of 40 meters per second. We know that V must be 0 at maximum height. We have explained this before, right? Good. Time it takes. We now got the time. What do we get as the time then again? When we finish solving, we got the time as 4 seconds. Yeah, we got the time as 4. Find the distance to the highest point. We're looking for H. Find the distance to the highest point. Find the distance to the highest point. Class, even without time, we would have gotten H by using the second equation of motion. Because we can say V squared
equals to u squared. Don't forget we're going to use minus because it's going against gravity, minus. When going up is minus, when coming down is plus. So v squared equals to u squared minus 2gh. Don't forget our v is 0. V is 0. 0 squared equals to u is what? 40. 40 squared minus 2 is g, 10. And it's only h we are looking for. 0 squared means 0. 40 squared means 1,600. Minus 2 times 10 is 20 h. Let minus 28,600 moves to this side because plus 20h. Divide both sides by 20 to make h solid. Divide both sides by 20 to make h solid of the 0 cancels 1 0. 160 divided by 2 is 80 meter. If you got 80 meter before I got it, let me know in the comment section. Sir, I tried and I got 80 before you got it. Sir, I got 80 before you got it. I got 80 before you got it. Let me know in the comment section. Sir, I got 80 before you got it. Let me know. Let me know. Joshua, I see you. Joshua Ojigwe said, I got. Yes. Omowumi said, I have not left. Excellent. Excellent. Blessing Chidima said, I got it before you got it. You know that feeling when you got it before your teacher got it. You know that feeling. That feeling of getting it before your teacher gets it. Yes. I got it before you got it. Yes, yes. Who else got it? Who else got it? Who else got it? Someone said, I even used the last formula. Oh, I like this set. This set is good. I like this. I even used the last formula. I even used the last formula. So someone else tried another the last equation of motion. That is the last equation of motion. And you got the same answer, right? To tell you that all the formulas we gave you, they are correct. Anyone you use, you get it. Binta said, I got it. Grace Adesewa said, I got it. This is Blessing Chidima ready. Yes. So if you are done with this correction, let's now go. I want to give you 1 minute to solve the main question I gave you. Take 1 minute and solve the main question I gave you. Take 1 minute. Take 1 minute and solve the main question I gave you. Take 1 minute. Take 1 minute and solve the main question I gave you. Take 1 minute and solve the main question I gave you. I want to see the first answer. My best physics student for this set. Let me see the first answer. I want to see the first answer. Who will get it first? Drop answer. Jamb is a competition. Let us start putting ourselves in exam mode now. Oluwakemi said, nice, sir. Abundance said, question 1, 4.5. Grace Adesewa said, 9. I see you. Edafi Wisdom, sir, please. I'm a slow learner. Oh, no problem. If you're a slow learner, that's why online class is good for you. You can rewind the video and watch again and again and again. You can rewind the video and watch again and again and again. Good. That's why online class is good for you. Grace Adesewa said 9 seconds. Minister Oluwade Milade said 3 seconds. We shall see. Hope you are solving. Hope you are solving. We are almost at 100 minutes, guys. 6 more minutes to complete our 100 minutes challenge. 6 more minutes to complete our 100 minutes challenge. 6 more minutes to complete our 100 minutes challenge. Olugumeri 4.5. Victor Okoro said, yes, keep dropping your answers. I'm watching everything. I'm watching everything that's happening. Dauda, question 1, time is 3 seconds. Victoria Okoro said 3 seconds, sir. Most people have gotten question 1 already. If you've not gotten it, no problem, no pressure, no pressure. Don't worry yourself, no pressure. We all don't learn at the same pace, no pressure. Take your time, take your time. That's why you're here to learn, right?
Some people are getting 4.5, some people are getting 3 seconds. Who is correct, who is wrong? Some people are getting 4.5, some people are getting 3 seconds. Who is correct, who is wrong? Who is correct, who is wrong? Some people are getting 4.5, some people are getting 3 seconds. Who is correct, who is wrong? Some people are getting 4.5, some people are getting 3 seconds. Who is correct, who is wrong? We shall find out. It's time to solve now, let's go. It's time to solve, let's go. It's time to solve, let's go. So let's start with question 1, the palm fruit question. A palm fruit dropped to the ground. Class, what did I tell you about something dropping to the ground? When something drops to the ground, it means that before it started dropping, the initial speed u is 0. Always notify this because the question will not tell you. If you don't get this u as 0, it's the key to solving this kind of question. When someone drops to the ground, u is 0. When someone is thrown up, v is 0 at maximum height. Get it? If you are coming down, u is 0. When going up, it is v that is 0 at maximum height. Store that information in your brain. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree. What is the height of the tree? H is 45 meters. How long does it take to reach the ground, class? How long? What does how long mean in physics? If you notice, they did not tell us find the time. They say how long. How long means time. What does how fast mean? Tell me in the comment section. If someone say how fast, what does it mean? How far, what does it mean? How far is not greeting. So if you say how far is a day, it's not greeting, it's physics question. So not all how far is greeting. Not all how far is greeting. Some how far is physics question. How far, what does it mean? Tell me in the question. What does how fast mean? What does how fast mean? If they say how fast does a body take? What does it mean? How far? What does it mean? And how long is time? Let me help you with that one. How long means time. So we're looking for t, time. It drops from a what? Height down. Height is 45 meters. We're looking for time. If you try using the first equation of motion, you don't have v. So it will catch you, to worry you. So avoid all the equations that are dealing with v. Avoid all those ones that have v. Come and use the third equation of motion that does not have v. Because in the third equation of motion, we have height as 45 meters, correct? U is 0, G is 10, only T is what we don't have. So it's easier to choose an equation where you have only one unknown. Don't go for an equation that we have two unknown. Class, we don't know V, and at the same time we don't know T. So it is not wise to use this first equation when you have two unknown values. V and T is not known. We don't know who is V. We don't know who is V, and we don't know who is T. So don't go for first equation of motion. Don't go for second one because you don't also know who is V. But though you have G, you have H, you have U. That means you can use this to get V. But it's a slow method. You now first get V, yeah? Then you now come back to equation 1 and get T, since you have gotten V now. But equation 3 gives you T at once without using two equations. Anything that needs you to use two equations before you get your answer is slowing you down. Remember that Jamb is time, is speed. Two intelligent students can write an exam, but who finishes first? Two of you can know the same thing. Two of you read and you know everything very well, right? But someone will still pass more than someone. Why? The person that was faster. The person that is faster. Two of us, we know the same thing. We went to Jamb Master class. So two of us, we went to Jamb Master class. We paid for Jamb Master class, but we don't get the same result. Why? One person is fast, one person is slow. Is that the teacher's fault? No. So work on your speed. That's why every Friday I set mock exam for you, so that I can work on your speed. I will time you with a very wicked timing. I will time you with very wicked timing, so that when you get to Jamb, the time Jamb will give you will be like a bonus. This one is too much now. Jamb Master gave us a very tough time. This Jamb exam will not look easy for you because you'll be writing several exams in your brain. You have been writing several exams. Jamb exam will look cheap. So class, use the third equation of motion, H. Who is H? Equals to UT. Are we going to use plus or minus? We use plus. Why are we using plus? The body is coming down. When coming down, we use plus. So H equals to UT plus half GT square. H equals to UT plus half GT square.
Why would you use plus? The body is coming down. What's h? 45. What's u? U is 0. So 0t, 0 times t is 0. So everybody here is 0. 0 times t is 0. So this 0 can go. We now have to deal with half gt square. Half, who is g? G is constant. G is 10 meter per second square. So half times 10 t square. Let's cross multiply. 45 times 2 is 90. If you cross multiply here, 10 times t square is 10t square equal to 45 times 2 is 90. Divide both side by 10. 10 cancels 10. 90 divided by 10 is 9. So t square equals to 9. If t square equals to 9, we're going to find the square root of both sides. Class, anytime you want to deal with a square, find square root always cancels square. Square root always cancels square, so that t is square root of 9. And square root of 9 is what? 3 seconds. So those that got 3 seconds, you are correct. If you got 3 seconds, you are correct. If you got 3 seconds, you are correct. Who got 3 seconds? Let me know. 100-minute challenge. Excellent. 100 minutes. Excellent. Who got 3 seconds? Let me know. 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 So let's look at the second question now. It's time to clean this. If you can rewind and watch again in case it was too fast. Rewind and watch again. If you are watching me, you have not yet hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button on the channel. Hit the subscribe button on the channel. Let us take the second question. What is the total time of flight of an object projected vertically upwards? What is total time of flight of an object projected vertically upwards? Vertically upwards. With a speed, tell me the speed you used to push it up is 30 meters per, with a speed of 30 meters per seconds. They ask us to find total time of flight. Class, if u is 30, one thing is sure, v is what? 0. Class, don't forget. When going up at maximum height, v is what? Final velocity is 0. Because this body is going up, the speed is reducing, right? It's going against gravity, the speed is reducing till it gets to 0. So u is 30, v is 0, and g is 10. Those are the only things we know. But it's supposed to find total time of flight. Class, let me tell you why I think most people will miss this question. Please, after I solve this question, if you did not get it, don't say you got it. That's a lie. If you did not get it, don't say you got it. After solving this question, if you did not get what I got, don't say you got it. Because I know the mistake most of you will make. Class, they did not ask us the time it takes to go up only. They say find total time of flight. Class, the total time of flight. Now let me tell you something. This ball was thrown up. The time it takes for the ball to go from down up is not time of flight, but it's time to attain maximum height. Class, in motion there are two types of time. In motion there are two types of time. There's time to attain the maximum height and the time of flight. Class, the time to attain maximum height is the time taken for the ball to just get to this up. But time of flight is time taken for this ball to get to this up and then come down back. I'll come again. This small t, time to attain maximum height, the time it takes the ball to reach the highest point, maximum height. This small t is time for this ball to just go up only. But this big T, time of flight, is what they asked us in this question. It's time taken for the ball to go up and then return down. So class, anytime you got in your answer, you are supposed to multiply by 2 because the big T is 2 times small t. This big T, time of flight, is twice the time to attain maximum height. The time of flight, note in your note, write it in your book now, write it in your book now, write it in your book, notes. The time of flight is 2 times the time it takes to attain maximum height. The time of flight of an object
is twice the time to attain maximum height. The time of flight of an object is twice, 2 times the time to attain maximum height. The time of flight, BT, is 2 times the time to attain maximum height. Write it down in your notes. Write it down in your notes. The time of flight is 2 times the time to attain maximum height. The time of flight is 2 times the time to attain maximum height. The time of flight is 2 times the time to attain maximum height. Someone said, I can't leave this class. That's their spirit. You cannot be in a class and say you want to leave. Omowumi, I see you. Omowumi said, I can't leave this class. I can't leave this class. There's no smart students that know what's up, that know this class can help me pass. This class, let me find a way to join this class. Let me find a way to join this class. If you have not yet registered with us, after this night class, message me on WhatsApp. Message me, sir, how can I join you? Sir, how can I join your private students? I want to join your private group. The only reason why you are seeing this class is that I was generous enough to post the link everywhere. We are going to have class tomorrow. We will have class next tomorrow. You will not even know. Because I only post the link to my students. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you will never see it because it's a private class. So there are some videos that everybody can see, the public can see. And there are some videos that only my private students can see. And if I don't share the link with you, you will never see the video. So sir, I want to join your class. I like what I see. Message me. If someone say bring 20k to pass your Jamb, is it too much? If someone say bring 30k self to get that course you're applying for, I don't think it's too much. Some of you are too money conscious. When you get your admission, will you be paying for Jamb class again? No. Be smart. Think. If you get your admission this year, will you ever pay for Jamb class again? No. It's a one-time payment to your Jamb exam day. A one-time payment to your Jamb exam day. And I'll be coaching you every day from now to Jamb. You will still write mock exam inside this 30K. You will still get past exam question. I've sent my students original Jamb past. I hope you know. They have original Jamb past exam questions. These are all the things, and you write mock exam every week to your Jamb. I think it's worth it to get that course. And we allow part payment. So let me pay part our balance. We allow it. What is your excuse? Do you want to keep missing our classes? Because I will not be posting this link every day for everybody. I will not share this class with everybody every day. I won't be generous every day. Message me, sir. Let me join your class. Message me. Seeing is believing. You have seen. No need to doubt anymore. We can help you pass your Jamb this year. Message me on WhatsApp. Immediately after, if you know you will forget, you can just say hi now. Say, sir, please, I want to join your class. Just say, sir, I want to join your class. Send your candidates. Let me drop something. I want to join your class. Message me. And you know, if you know, you always forget. Say you are planning to join. You're planning to join us, but you always forget, or you just forget. Something will just take your mind off it. Hey, don't play with your Jamb. Don't let me distract for your Jamb this year. Message me now. Sir, I want to join your class. Let me join. Give me a candidate. Let me just join me first. Let me just join, sir. Message me on WhatsApp. Message me on WhatsApp. Message me on WhatsApp. If you know you forget, do it now. I give permission to do it now. If you know you forget, I give you permission to do it now. So let's keep going. So the first time we're going to get is the time to attain maximum height. But the big time of flight is 2 times the time to attain maximum height. Question we have to ask ourselves, what equation of motion is suitable to get our time? We can use the first equation of motion. This body is going up against gravity, so it's minus. We're going to V equals to U minus GT. Who is our V? Our V is 0. Who is our U? Our U is 30. Our V is 0. Our U is 30. Our G is 10. It's only T we are looking for. Bring minus 10T to this side becomes plus 10T. So 10T equals to 30. Divide both sides by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3 seconds. Now, this is what most of you would have got in 3 seconds. But this is why most people will fail Jamb. And these 3 seconds will be in the option. These 3 seconds will be in the option. These 3 seconds will be in the option. But class, a children that have been taught by the Jamb master will now take this 3 seconds and multiply it by 2. Take this 3 and multiply by 2 to get total time of flight. 2 times 3 is 6 seconds. Total time of flight is 2 times the time to attain maximum heights. Class, so listen to your question carefully. Did they ask you to find time to attain maximum heights? Or did they ask you to find total time of flight? I mean, they say find the time to attain the boat to just get to the maximum height. This is the answer. 3, yeah, okay. But the question says find the total time of flight. Multiply the 3 you got here by 2. Because total time of flight is 2 times the time to attain maximum height.
If you are gaining something, say, sir, I am gaining something. At least, praise us small. Now we are trying. It's not easy. 10 p.m. we are still teaching. Tell us, sir, I am gaining. If you are gaining something, this class, say, sir, I am gaining something. I am gaining something. If you are learning something, say, sir, I am gaining something. Joshua said, I wrote 3. Oh, you see. These are people fail Jamb. Jamb is simple. You see, you fail it. Sir, I am gaining something. Good. That said, the class will give me my dream course and my dream institution by the special grace of God. Good. If you are gaining, Joshua, I see you. Says, Precious JGK, I see you. Favor said, I am gaining something. Okay. And I know you mean it. You're not just saying it because I say you should say it, right? You mean it, right? Yes, sir, I am gaining something. Sir, I am gaining something. Grace Adesua, well done. Minister, I see you. Divine King Justice, I see you. Binta, well done. People that always comment, they always encourage us. Thank you. Abundance. Sir, why did you not make T the subject of the formula? Why not minus? I don't understand. Abundance, I don't understand your question. No. I am gaining a lot. Precious said I am gaining a lot. Good. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Francis Treasure, I see you. I am gaining something, sir. Somewhere Egu, sir, I am gaining a lot. Can we now move to another type of motion? Say, sir, let us say fire down, sir. Can we now move to another type of motion? Say fire down, sir. Say fire down, sir. Can we now move to another type of motion? Someone said, I'm gaining, Agota said, I'm gaining more than something. That is good. I am gaining more than something. That is the spirit. That's the spirit. Can we now move to another type of motion? Say fire down, sir. Fire down, sir. Can we now move to another type of motion? Say fire down, sir. Let us now move to projectile motion. Let us now move to projectile motion. Let us now move to projectile motion. Class, I just remember something now. I have actually taught projectile motion in a class in my YouTube already. The next 2 types of motion I'm supposed to move to, I've taught them already. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to send you the link to the motion, projectile motion and the circular motion. I'm going to send you the link so you can go and watch it now. On Friday, I'm going to be setting a test on all these types of motion on Friday. I just remember that I have taught it on my channel already. Projectile motion, Jamb, projectile motion, Jamb, circular motion. It's on my channel now. I'll send this link now to my private students. Please, if you just watch this class and you want to register with us, message me now. Sir, let us talk. How can I do it? I do accept part payment. Sir, I will sacrifice my last card and join this class. Let me pass my Jamb. If you pass your Jamb, you will not spend money on Jamb again. You will not spend money on Jamb again. I have already taught projectile motion and circular. I just remembered. So let me send you the video. Watch it. It's still me teaching. You still see it's me teaching. I'll send it now on our private group. If you want to join our private group, we don't want to miss those 2 topics. Message me now. And you don't want to miss our future classes and our mock exam. If you are writing mock exam every week, every Friday, you will pass your Jamb. You will blast your Jamb. You don't want to miss our mock exam on Friday. Message me now. Sir, join me to your group. How can we work? How much is the fee I will pay? Let me learn. Nothing is too much. I know people that went to go and show their parents our videos. Some of you have to be intentional. Mommy, some of your parents don't believe you because they have not seen what you think you want to scam you. Mommy, see the man is teaching. Look at his YouTube channel. I don't subscribe to his channel. I'll subscribe to his channel. See him teaching. I teach 100 level students. So show them. Check my channel. I teach 100 level. I teach 200 level students. So seeing is believing. I don't know how else to prove again than this. So you have not joined us yet. Message me now. After this class, I'll run up this class now. Since I've already taught the next 2 topics I want to teach, I've taught it before. I will send the link to my students this night. If you are still fired up, you still want to learn,
Start watching it now. Just assume that the life continues and be watching it now. Let me attend to those that want to join us this night and add them so they can join. So my students, you know me, we have our group already, right? I'll send the link this night. If you are still fed watch it this night. But if it's not, you can watch it tomorrow in your free time. But I'll send it this night. I have projectile motion, I have circular. I'll send some videos, 3 videos. I'll send them now. Since I've done it before, let me not do double work. I've already taught it before. I'll send them to you this night on our private group. Sir, I want to join you. I feel like I'll pass my Jamb with you. I like the way you teach. Message me now on WhatsApp. Sir, send your account details. I will pay. Don't worry. No money is too much for my success. I've seen your class. You are teaching well. I've seen your board. So you mean what you are saying. Join us and then we'll teach you and coach you. Alright, my private students, let us meet in our group now. Let me send you the link to the next 2 classes. I've taught it before already. I'll just send you, go and watch. Then there will be mock exam on Friday. Don't forget, tomorrow we have biology. If in case you don't still understand our timetable, tomorrow is biology. Yesterday we did English, right? Yesterday was English. Today we are doing physics. You see, I'm like, our class is now serious and organized. So every class is holding now. Today is physics. Tomorrow is biology. Thursday is mathematics. Friday is mock exam. Saturday is English again. We do English twice a week because English is one that carries the bigger marks. Saturday is English again. Sunday is chemistry. Sunday, we did chemistry on Sunday, remember? I taught chemistry. We did 4 hours class on chemistry, remember? Yes. The only reason why I'm stopping now is because I have the next 2 topics taught already. I'll send it to you. Are we together? You go and watch. And I will know those that watch on the mock exam on Friday. I will know those that watch it. You want to join us, you should have messaged me if you are serious. When you see an opportunity comes but once, you should have messaged me if you are very, very serious. Huh? Alpha, let me join. I like this set. See the people you are learning with. Iron sharpening, and when you're in the midst of the correct people, right? When you follow the right click, they will push you. Everybody in this set will pass this jam. So join this set and play your jam. Message me now. Private students, I'm coming online now. I'm coming to our group now. Let me send you these 2 videos. Good night, everybody. Have a good night rest. If you are still fired up, make sure you watch the video this night though. Because if I did not say this, you will still continue the class, right? So you can still sit up and watch it this night. Those that want to register with us, if you register with us now, I'll give you the video now. Say, you join them. I'll add it to our group now. I'll send you your package, your past questions. Complete Jamb Master Pass question. You used to study and pass your Jamb. You will join our mock exam. Everything, all the privilege, you will get it. Message me now. Any class you missed before today, if you're not going to join us today, you will get the link. Everything is recorded. I will send to you. Don't worry. Every class you missed before today, you get the link. We've not gone far. We've not done much. So you will get the link and you will join. Thank you very much. Good night, everybody. You want to join us? Message me. Private students, let's go. Let me go and send you the video now. Yes. Good night, everybody. Yeah, someone says, thank you so much. I gained a lot for free. Good. You want to gain more? Message me. I'll send it now. Binta said, I've been getting a lot since I started this class with you, sir. God bless you as you continue to teach us. Thank you. You can see the reviews. Those of you that this is your first time, look at the reviews. If I'm not doing well, they will say it. Look at the reviews. Yes, thank you very much. Good night, everybody. Let me send. So message me now.